What type of government do we have in Israel that goes and bomb a hospital?
Amalunga we-EFF nezinye inhlangano amashele endlini yobuzenda bakwa-Israel esePitori bakhalima ukusahlelwa kwePalestina. Babetha phasi ngenyawo abasebenzi bemayini amalahle eMiddelburg bathi bazokuchagala bekurathuke inyathelo bafuna imiholo engcono. Amabhokobhoko angaphasi kwegandeleleko lokuvikela ibhigiri yephasi Web Ellis Cup. Baba kuhle ukuhlanganisa zindaba kodwa ngiyasindebele ku-SABC 1 Lotshani. Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi akufanele ibona kusolwe isiqhema sezilwi iHamas ngokusahlela iIsrael ekuthomeni kwenyanga le. uMalema uthi isenzo seHamas sokuvikela abantu bePalestina nokulwela ikululeko yabo kokuphela kwendlela ekhona njengoba iIsrael isaraka nokungena ePalestina. Nabe kakhuluma nenkulungwane zabalandeli behlangano yakhe bebabuthene ngaphandle kwendlu yobuzenda beIsrael. uMalema uphakamise bona kungalwe yonke imikhiqizo evela eIsrael. Waphakamisa nokuthi kuvalwe indlu yobuzenda beIsrael kuyo wonke amazwe weAfrika. I-EFF imashele endlini yobuzenda beIsrael ePitori iyokuphikisana nesahlelo leIsrael phezu kwePalestina.
Baphume bazala intrata zePitori kwababovu be nayenza nje i-EFF ifuna iphimbo layo lizwakale epini ephakathi kwePalestina neIsrael. Ihlangano le ithi jamelana nePalestina ngaphandle kwemibandela. Bebakhona nabanye esekhe bakhahlumezeka eGaza ngaphasi kwesandla seIsrael. Amalunga we-EFF asilalele isiphakamiso sokuthi aphume ngobuningi ba hlangana nabo bekunamalunga wezinye inhlangano.
It is good that there are marches and protests by ourselves, by the EFF, by other political parties.
It's time now that the world stands up, and we're very disappointed at the injustice of America and UK in particular that has been providing more arms to actually bombard an oppressed nation.
Malima ulicho walikandelela ukuthi kwanje isikhathi sokuthi amazwe weAfrika abumbana avali izindlu zobuzenda zeIsrael enahakazini yeAfrika.
What type of government do we have in Israel that goes and bomb a hospital where people have run away for refugee, where people are sick, where children are there, where pregnant women are there? You bomb a hospital.
Malima uphakamise nokuthi kungasathengwa nesitolo iWoolworths.
Comrades, Woolworths has got a responsibility by end of this month to remove every product on their shelves that comes from Israel.
Uchile nokuthi ingasikade nje uzokumemezela amagadango alandelako uqinisa ijima labo lokuveza ukunganeliseki kwabo ngepi ephakathi kweIsrael nePalestina.
Ikhotho izwe ubufakazi bukafakazi wombuso uTshepiso Motlhapeng osebenza njengotologi ekhotho kaMagistrata weBoksburg ecaleni lokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa. uMotlhapeng utshele ikhotho bona umsolo wesibili uBongani Ntanzi bekabonakala njengomuntu ofuna ukukhuluma. Kubizwe ufakazi omutsha ngemva kokubana igcwetha lomsolo lingakhange libe nembuzo elingayibuza ufakazi wombuso.
Ufakazi wombuso uTshepiso Motlhapeng ongutologe ekhotho uthi nguye wayetolikela umsolo wesibili uBongani Ntanzi mhlanzana enza istatement sokuvuma icala. Njengoba namagcotha wabasolwa bathi uNtanzi wagadelelwa bona avume icala, uMotlhapeng uthi uNtanzi wayebonakala njengomuntu okufuna ukukhuluma kokakwaziko.
My lord, my overall impression was that of course, looking at the demeanor of the suspect at the time, he appeared to me like somebody who really wanted to speak whatever it was that he wanted to say.
uMotlhapeng uveze nokubana nanyana uNtanzi wahlathululela amalungelo akhe bona akakakateleleki bona avume icala wathi uyafuna ukulivuma icala.
When the rights were explained to him and the fact that he was not compelled in any way to make a statement, his specific words were, I really wanted I really want to speak. I just want to say this. If I can say it in Zulu, my lord, he said, "Tasisi, ngifuna ukuqhubeka ngikhulume."
Kanti ngaphambi kwalokho ufakazi wombuso uMagistrata uVivian Cronch ekunguye owamukela ubufakazi bakaNdanzi uvumile ku-advocate Zandile Mshololo bona bekungakafanele bona uNdanzi ahlaliswe emaseleni amalanga amnani angakavele khotho.
Why did you proceed in taking down the statement from a person who had been kept in an unlawful detention?
He was represented at that stage. He wanted to, it was from him, he's the one who showed that desire to speak or to say something at the time.
Ijaji elaleli icala lokubulawa kwakaMeyiwa likhalima amagqwetha abasolwa abahlanu bona bangalithi ubufakazi obungakhange bethulwe khotho. Icala liregela phambili.
Abonkhethana abazijameleko bayongenela ikhetho lelizwe nelemfunda kokuthoma njengoba ikomishini yezekhetho isejimeni lokuphandlulula isitshaba bona kutsho ukuthini kuba vote nakubonkhethana ukungenela ikhetho ngaleyo ndlela.
Kuthe ngemva kwesahlulelo esiyithwamlando sekhotho yezomthetho sisekelo esathi abonkhethana abazijameleko bangakhona ukungenela ikhetho. Iparlamente yaphasisa umthetho wezekhetho oveza lokhu kwathi nayo ikomishini yezekhetho yakhibelela la ikhibelela khona bona konke kuhambe ngefanelo.
There will be 3 ballots for the first time in national and provincial elections. The 2 ballots are for the National Assembly because it is a 2-tier system. The first one, only parties will appear on that one because it's the 200 seats to restore proportionality.
Abavoti bangalindela nephepha lokuvota elide kuneleminyakeni elidlulileko njengoba nazibalelwa ngaphezulu kwamakhulu asithandathu inhlangano ezizidlulisileko. Begothi isibalo sabonkhethana abazijameleko asaziwa. Ushiburu uthi lokhu kungabangela isibalo esingezelelekileko samaphepha okuvota onakeleko.
If the number of contestants is so much, we may have end up not with a ballot paper but with a ballot booklet on multiple columns. So in those circumstances, voters may end up being confused and making wrong marks.
Ukuzibandakanya kwelutsha emakhethweni ngokhunye ukuvulelwa amehlo ehlelweni le-IEC.
You know that we never use the terms apathy to refer to young persons because we don't think there's apathy on the young persons. We think they've had fewer disproportionate chances to register. What we know though is that once registered, the majority of them are likely to participate than any age cohort.
Ikomishini le yokunikela nangelwazi malungana nangempela veke elizwe yokuzihlolisa ehlelo lomhla ka-18 no-19 ngosinye ikhaba. Izokusebenzisa umnyanya lo ukuhlela ngobutsha inhlangano nabonkhethana abazijameleko kilokho ekufuze babe nakho nabafuna ukuzibandakanya.
Abongazimbi bomlilo weMarshall Town edrobheni yeJohannesburg abasala banganabuyo ngemva kokulumatha komlilo emafledzini abahlala kiwo basole uhulumende ngokufuna ukubasusa ngekani endaweni abahlezi kiyo. Ngokutsho kwezakhamuzi ze-Hofflands Recreational Center, amapholisa abizwe kaningi bona azobakhupha la bahlala khona. Batsho abanakudla la bahlala khona, banjalo banje batshiye ukuthi bazifunele ukudla ngokwabo.
Sekuphela amalanga ama-50 solo umlilo eMarshall Town wajiba ngamahluwo lapho kwabhubha khona abantu abama-7 kwathi abamakhulukhulu basala banganabuyo banganandawo yokuhlala. I-Hofflands Recreational Center ngenye yendawo umasipala eJohannesburg ahlalise khona kwesikhatshana abongazimbi abanganandawo yokuhlala. Kodwa nje sebakhulumenyo basola ukuthi sebafuduswa ngekani kiyo yona indawo le.
They are forcing us to move out from this area. And while others they didn't get any money, while others they get some money, 2,000, 3,000. So once they're forcing us we don't know where we're going to do, where we can start our life again like before, to live like other people's. So the problem is Metropolis, they came with the management of this place. They're forcing us to move out while they put us paper spray.
Abahlali bathi batshiye bona bezifunela ukudla nje abazi ukuthi yini elandelako ezokwenzeka ngabo.
I remember a lot of people didn't have bank accounts because they couldn't afford the bank fees. So from the little that they did, they had it under their mattresses. So everything, as you say, everything was lost. To start up life again with absolutely nothing has been a real challenge for them. We've helped where we can, so got a little funding for one person, bought him stock. He's now able to actually sell his goods, make a profit, and move on.
Umlilo alumata mhlazana amalanga ama-31 kuRhoboyi emakhweni obizwa ngokuthi uSindiso Building eMarshall Town. kwapho abantu abamachuma likhomba nekhomba kwathi abanye abamakhulukhulu basala banganandawo zokuhlala.
Njengamanje angazi kumanje ngoba ubona ngidideke kanje angazi ukuthi mabeqala bethi asiphumeni ngaphandle ngizoshonaphi. Asina ID, asinalutho bafike basishuthisa ama ID, akekho sinikeza ama ID, ingane ayifundi izihleli since angazi ukuthi egcineni sizothini.
Ikomishini ephenya ukuthungelela komlilo lo kulindele kubona ithome ngomsebenzi inyanga le kanti izokudosa phambili lijaji esele lithethe umhlala phasi usisi Khambembe. Hlangana nokhunye ekuyokuphenywa ikomishini le yimbangelo yomlilo nokuthi kungenziwani ukuvikela bona into efana nale ingasabuyeleki.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook siba umbono wakho malungana nendaba yokuthi abantu abahlaliswe endaweni yesikhatshana ngemva komlilo washa eMarshalltown balila ngokuthi abatshejwa baliselelwa nokuthi bayozifunela ukudla. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela.
South Africa njalo mkhathi vele ugijimelana into nayiseseyitsha ngenakuthoma ngasuthi yathoma ukuphopha nobakhambela mulo wazosolo batemsa abantu angabahelebhi into sesijwayeleko.
Kunabantwana phezu kwalapho kunabantwana abancane basafuna ukuhlokomelwa basafuna ukunakekelwa umphakathi nawo ube safe. Umasipala weJohannesburg awuyithathe from la.
Uma kubeka ukuthi labantu abasinela building yaseMarshalltown eyayisha abanelisekele indawo umasipala wasegolo banikeza yona. Ngcono phela abaphuma bayozifunela bona indawo engcono.
Ikomishini elwela amalungelo abantu nokhuselo woluntu make bangenelele bahlangule ababantu.
Angitsho batho bebabhadela abantu labo lapho. Ababalungisele misinya ngoba kunabantwana lapho abafuze baye esikolweni. Enabanye bayokuthoma ngama-exam.
Umbono ngewumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Nasibuya Ntolo.
Sizokubika nje ukuthoma i-project yethu ye-artisan schools eNgonyameni.
Uyathuthuka umsebenzi wokufaka kwelimi lesiNdebele enkolweni zemalokishini njengoba amandebele amaningi bekasola afundiswa ngamanye amalimi enkolweni. Kaze sisaphethe indaba lapha nazi kuphundileyo ziyatholakala ku-Facebook na ku-YouTube asirage nazo. Abasebenzi emayini yamalahle eseMiddelburg eMpumalanga iMafube Coal bathi bazokuragela phambili nokuchagala ukufikela la zilalelwa khona imfuno zabo. Abasebenzi bangale umsebenzi ngemva kokuthi ingakhange ikhambe kuhle imkhulumisano yokukhutshulelwa imiholo. Bafuna imiholo ikhutshulwe nge-7.5% kunye ne-shop steward ezokusebenza unomphela eplantini yabo.
Babeke amathulusi phasi. Abasebenzi laba batsho abaphathwa ngendlela efanako nabalingani babo abasebenza eThungela neExaro Mines. Bafuna imali yenzuzo eyenziwe emayini abathi batsho bathenjiswa yona.
The workers did not bring about this issue. It was brought by the CFO and CEO. And we then think that it is not right for us to be part of that company but get nothing out of it.
Kusetshenziswa umgomo wokuthi na ungasebenzi awubhadalwa. Kodwana abasebenzi basajame njalo ngemfuno zabo.
Abasebenzi badimanda amalokhunjana amahola ngcono. Umqashi njengamanje asinika kona noma esingakhona ukuvumelana kona. Is the issue ye traveling where sifuna ukuthi asikhokhele itrip yokuze emsebenzini ne-issue ne-trip yokuphinda move.
Kusenjalo abaphathi bemayini balibuyelele igama lokuthi bazibophelele ekucedeni ukungalwa kwemisebenzi.
We as Mafube are committed to continue to foster open and constructive dialogue with our employees and National Union of Mine Workers, and will continue to do so with National Union of Mine Workers to reach a solution.
Abasebenzi abachakala kubathi bazokuragela phambili nokuchakala ukufikela la kulalelwa khona imfuno zabo. Ngingonhlanhla Jele weindaba ze-SABC eMiddelburg, Mpumalanga.
Uragela phambili umsebenzi wokukhuthaza ukufundwa nokufundiswa kwelimi lesiNdebele enkolweni zemadrobheni. Ukufaka kwesiNdebele enkolweni zeDelmas nephola eOrhis eMpumalanga ihlangano echochozela ukufundiswa kwelimi lesiNdebele Iindumbeni Cultural Center ikhambe ukwembula amahlelo wayo esigodlweni sakwaNzunza emthambothini kwaNdebele eMpumalanga. Yamkelwa iMgonyama uMabhoko wesithathu.
Ngenyanga likaSewula iziko lezobukhwari namasiko elichochozela ukuthuthukiswa kwesiNdebele Iindumbeni Cultural and Creative Arts ihlanganisa iminyaka eli-13 yasungulwa. Ikhambe ukuvela phambi kweNgonyama uMabhoko wesithathu ukwethula indima ekhanjweko namahlelo okuya phambili.
Sizokubika nje wokuthoma i-project yethu ye-artisan schools eNgonyameni. Ayikho into esingayenza ngaphandle ukuthi sizeNgonyameni sizokuthokoza ukuthi esikwenzeke esichabeni seNgonyama ngini.
Indumbeni yabuthelela abavumi besikhethu ukugadangisa ingoma ehlanganyelweko bezile nabo emhlanganweni weNgonyama.
Kuqakatheke khulu bona Indumbeni isithathe ihlanganise sibavumi lokho kube into ehle khulu ngombana yenzile yasikhuthaza nathi sibavumi bona into esenzako le ikhona.
Indumbeni ke yasihlanganisa sibavumi yasihlanganisa sibavumi ukuthi sibavumi yini into ekose siyenze sichubekele phambili.
Umkhwezeli wezamasiko ofundisa abantwana ngesindo uProfessor Thuthukile Kabini uthokozisa Indumbeni ngokuhlanganisa iminyaka engaka yokukhuthaza ngesiNdebele.
Bengingasaphumeleli ukuza mina bengikhohlwe nelangelo invitation tena ifika ko yathi 13 years anniversary mina ngathi kuthuthuwe ngeni13.
Isigodlo sizamukele ngelikhulu ithabe ngikhambeli.
Kwangathi namanye ama-organization asekhaya bangabona lokhu okwenzakele lapha nabo bathathe lapho babambisane.
Ingonyama uMabhoko wesithathu ngempela veke esibuya kiyo le bekasevalmansdal ngehlagwini Mpumalanga ePitori ngalivangeli lokukhuthaza ukufunda kwelimi lesiNdebele enkolweni zemadrobheni. Ingonyama uMabhoko wesithathu ekulumeni yakhe ayithule ngempela veke akawuvala umlomo ngokuchochozelwa kokufunda kwelimi lesiNdebele nakezinye inkolo zeGauteng. Uthi ngomunye wadinywa ithuba lokufunda ngelimi lakhe phambilini.
Okunye esikhambelako eDelmas ukuthi bebangafuni ukuthi ilimi lesiNdebele lifundiswe. Ngingomunye wabo ofunde enkolweni zasemakhuweni. Ngangingazi ukuthi isiZulu angikagadeleleki ukuthi ngisifunde. Mana kwakuyilimo lalikhona kuleso sikolo leso. Bebangaphatha boteacher ukuthi uyakuhluleka ukuthi ungaphuma uyokufuna uteacher oLindebele ongakufundisa outside of class. Ngimnokhule afunda isiZulu. Hayi ngoba ngifunda. Mana because of the system eyenziwa abayisedileko for thina sonke.
Ezifika nje sese-studio zithi umbanduli we-Kaizer Chiefs uMolefi Ntseki ubhalelene ne-Kaizer Chiefs ngamanye amagama sowubone indlela aze ngayo. Indaba le uzayizwa ngokuphelele kwendabeni ezilandelako. Kanti ngaphambi kokuthi sikhambe asilunguze kusibu ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi sibone bona uzumi wafikaphi. Sibu zikhamba njani ngapha?
Siyathokoza Thandeka silotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya njenganje indaba esiziphetheko namhlanje ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi lapha kuKwekwezi FM. Yilezi zithi namhlanje siyavalwa isikhathi sokubiselwa kwamaforomo womthelo khulukhulu ebantwini laba abasebenzako abanganayo enye indlela ukuthi bangangenisa imali. Ngale kwalokho kuyathoma ukuhlolwa kwenhlahlubo zokuphela komnyaka ebafundini baka-grade 12 enarheni le vekezako ngoMvulo. Abafundi lapha esifundeni seLimpopo bathi bakulungele ukuthi bangahlala phasi bahlole inhlahlubo zabo zokuphela komnyaka. Ngale kwalokho ihlangano ejamele abasebenzi bakahulumende abasebenza lapha ku-SITA okuliziko likahulumende bathi umqatshi ngendlela aziphethe ngakhona akakaziphathe kuhle nakancane. Lezi nezinye umbukeli uzozithola khona lapha kuKwekwezi FM ngemva kwendaba ezihunyeziweko ngoHlengiwe Mnguni. Siyathokoza.
Asithokoze Sibu mbukela sizibeke lapha namhlanje. Sikhona zeSiswati kusasa. Ukuthula kwande sitshaba sekosi.
Sithokozele ngendabeni, sithokoze namabona. Mbukele ekhaya lochani ngomvulo, sithembe ukuthi phela veke beyimnandi. Ke siqaleke ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu. Sibona lapha ligubze sengamafu kusuka lapha eKapa, bekuchingele nangaphakathi nalapha ke endaweni zeLimpopo nangale ngesifundeni seMpumalanga lisasibekele ngamafu. Zinkomba zomoya leza ozibona kokusasa sibona lapha amathuba wezulu okusuka lapha eCape Town ukufika ngeGcebera egwini elisesewula atholakala nge30% bese kuthi la endaweni zeMpumalanga Kapa uboneke kunekungu ikusena uchayilako. Nake amathuba wezulu kodwa esifundeni sangaleke ngeKZN ukuchinga kancazana esifundeni seMpumalanga nakhona nge30%. Siyaqala ke ukuthi kunjani kusehlobo kuchisa nje ibonakala ichisa eGauteng ePitori nge34 Bronkhorstspruit ngabo 32 neJohannesburg nalapha eSprings eCarltonville nge33 ke siyobona ukuthi sinjani isifunda sangale ngeLimpopo sibona kuchisa khulu eMusina nge37 Thohoyando nalapha ePhalaburwa nge37 kuyachisa eSouth Africa khulukhuluke lapha eLiphalale sibona lichisa nge38 asiyoqalela ukuthi kunjani esifundeni seMpumalanga likhona izudlwana lapha endaweni zabo Caroline nakhona ke kubonakala kufuthumele kuthi endaweni eziningi kuyachisa khulu ke isikhukhuza nge37 abantu bacheje bayelele ukhumbule ukuhlogomela isikhumba nakuchisa kangaka iKwaZulu Natal bonakala ke akhona amathuba wezulu njengoba ke satsho ngaphambilini kuyaphola ePietermaritzburg nge22 eKokstad nge21 nalapha ke ePort Shepstone kuthi ke ezinye indawo eRichards Bay noUlundi kufuthumale lapha ke eDurban kuphole nge23 khona siya lapha ke eMpumalanga Kapa libonakala lingana ke ezinye indawo lapha njengabo Komani noMthatha isifunda ke sipheze sonke sipholile khulukhulu lapha emakhanda ngakufuna uba makhaza nge19 lapha ke ezinye indawo kuthi ukufuthumela iTshingalanga Kapa siyalibona ukuthi linande liveza ihloko njengoba ke salibona ke lapha kuBomoselbheli ngathi kunakancazana noma kunjalo ke isifunda sipholile Cape Town kufuthumele ngezinye indawo lapha ke eFredendal neClan William nge24 ne25 siyoqala ukuthi injani ke eNorthern Cape sibona ke ubujamo bezulu obuthe ukuchisa lapha eUppington kuthi ke kuphole eSpringbok kuthi ke godi ke lapha eSutherland kuphole khudlwana nge20 siyoqala eFreystata kuthi yona injani na likhangela lithe endaweni eziningi kufuthumele kuye ngokuchisa kubo Bothaville nge34 eFrankfurt nge31 siyoqala kokugcina isifunda sangale ngeNorthwest sibonakala sichisa sonke lapha ke kubo Ottosdal nge34 abantu ke bacheje bayelele ehlobo nje